Hey everyone! Today's conversation is a bit awkward, but it's real life. John is calling Mary after their first date. He thinks it went well, but Mary has a different opinion. Let's hear what happens when they talk.
Hi, Mary. This is John.
Oh, hey. How are you?
I'm great. I wanted to thank you for going out with me last Friday.
I'm glad you had a good time.
You didn't seem to enjoy it that much.
To be honest, I didn't like the movie you picked.
I thought a horror movie would be a great way for us to get close to each other.
You were a little too hands-on.
Why don't we try again next weekend?
I really don't think so.
Are you interested in going out with me again at all?
You should probably lose my number. Ouch. That didn't go well for John, did it? Now let's practice the pronunciation. Listen to each line and repeat it. Try to capture the emotions, awkwardness, honesty, and rejection. Here we go.
Hi, Mary. This is John. Hi, Mary. This is John.
Oh, hey. How are you? Oh, hey. How are you?
I'm great. I wanted to thank you for going out with me last Friday. I'm great. I wanted to thank you for going out with me last Friday.
I'm glad you had a good time. I'm glad you had a good time.
You didn't seem to enjoy it that much. You didn't seem to enjoy it that much.
To be honest, I didn't like the movie you picked. To be honest, I didn't like the movie you picked.
I thought a horror movie would be a great way for us to get close to each other. I thought a horror movie would be a great way for us to get close to each other.
You were a little too hands-on. You were a little too hands-on.
Why don't we try again next weekend? Why don't we try again next weekend?
I really don't think so. I really don't think so.
Are you interested in going out with me again at all? Are you interested in going out with me again at all?
You should probably lose my number. You should probably lose my number. Time to role play. I'll be John, the hopeful guy. You'll be Mary, giving honest feedback. Listen to what John says, then respond as Mary. Let's see how you handle this.
Hi, Mary. This is John. I'm great. I wanted to thank you for going out with me last Friday. You didn't seem to enjoy it that much. I thought a horror movie would be a great way for us to get close to each other. Why don't we try again next weekend? Are you interested in going out with me again at all?
Now flip it. You're John this time, calling after a date that didn't go so well. I'll be Mary. Good luck. You might need it. Oh, hey. How are you? I'm glad you had a good time. To be honest, I didn't like the movie you picked. You were a little too hands-on. I really don't think so. You should probably lose my number. Well, that was uncomfortable, but great practice. Not every conversation ends happily, and that's okay. You learned how to handle rejection politely and give honest feedback. Keep practicing real-life English like this. See you next time!